Welcome to How Do I Find Issues? In this tutorial, I'll give you a tour of searching in Jira. You'll learn how to find issues quickly and easily using quick and basic search. I'll also introduce you to more advanced searching using Jira Query Language or JQL. Finally, you'll learn how to save a search so you can reuse it later. You'll often want to find issues in Jira. For example, what incidents did I resolve last month? Or what issues is Eva working on? Or what are the critical open bugs in our Teams and Space project? You find issues by searching issues fields like priority, status, type, and project. Quick search is the fastest way to search. You simply start typing in the search box in the header. It's great for simple searches like when you want to find one issue and know its key, or if you know some of the words that are in summary and description. As you type, it will show you matching issues in the drop-down. You can click one of these to go straight to the issue. To get to basic search, click Issues, then Search for Issues. This takes you to the Issue Navigator, where you'll see all the issues. Here you can easily create searches that are more complex than those using quick search. Say you want to find all open bugs in the Teams and Space project that are being worked on by Alana. You use the drop-downs to select the fields to search on. I'll select Project. You'll notice that the results are updated immediately. The issue type, the status, and the assignee. And we can see she has 3 open bugs. To clear this search and start again, click New Filter. This time we'll find all the open critical issues in the Teams and Space project. I'll select the open status, but I don't see the priority field here. No problem. Click More and you can search for and select any field to search on. Now I'll select a value for the priority field. You can also search for text that's in the issue's text fields. We don't need that for this search. Once I've got the results I want, I can change how I view them. Let's sort by assignee by clicking the column heading. And if I go to columns, I can remove the columns I'm not interested in by unchecking them. You can add columns here as well. Lastly, I'll switch from this list view to detail view so I can see issue details to the right of my results. Quick and basic search will meet most of your search needs, but sometimes you need more power. Advanced search is the most powerful search in Jira. You can use this for searches that can't be defined in quick or basic search, like queries using dates or operators like not or built-in functions, and more. For these types of searches, you use Jira Query Language or JQL. To get to advanced search from basic search, click Advanced. If you already see a search here, click New Filter to clear it. If you know JQL, you can enter it here, or you can let Jira give you suggestions as you type. Let's create a simple query that finds all the bugs. You create the JQL query by first specifying a field to search on. We'll use issue type. Next, you specify the operator. If we type a space, Jira will give us a list. These compare the value of the field on the left with the value you enter on the right. We'll select equals. Then you specify the value of the field. We'll type another space and choose bug. Note the green tick that indicates this is a valid clause. You can enter multiple clauses, but let's keep this one simple. We'll hit enter, and now we see our results. That wasn't too hard. Play around with advanced search and use the suggestions. You might find you prefer it to basic search. Clicking Basic takes us back to basic search, where you can see the query. Here's a tip. Anytime you run a basic search, you can see the JQL for that by clicking Advanced. This is a good way to become more familiar with JQL. We've just touched on what's possible with JQL here. If this has given you an appetite for more, watch the self-paced tutorial series on using JQL. When running any type of search, you'll only see issues from projects where you can view issues. So if your Jira administrator has not given you permission to browse a project, you won't see that project's issues in your search results, even if they match the search you run. You can save your searches to reuse later. This is useful when you want to perform the same search again and again. For example, every morning Caroline wants to find the issues that have been assigned to her in the past 24 hours. By saving this search, she doesn't need to spend time recreating it every morning. Another benefit of saving the search is that she can share them with others on her team, which saves her teammates the work of creating or recreating it. In Jira, a saved search is called a filter. To save a search as a filter, simply click the Save As button on the Issue Navigator and give it a name. Now you see the filter listed in the left pane in your favorite filters. Let's clear the search, and then you simply click the filter to rerun the search. Here you also see the predefined system filters that come with Jira. These cover common queries such as My Open Issues, Reported by Me, Viewed Recently, and so on. Also, if you're using boards, you'll see some predefined filters above your board. What are the takeaways here? Use Quick Search for very simple searches. Use Basic Search to easily search on specific fields. Use Advanced Search to run complex searches using JQL. Save time by creating filters for searches that you run often. Take some time to apply what you've learned in your own project. Open your instance of Jira and find a single issue by entering the issue key into the Quick Search field. Then click Issues, Search for Issues, and experiment with finding issues by selecting issue fields and values. Click a column heading to sort it, click Columns and remove or add a column, and then switch from List View to Detail View. Click Advanced to see the last search you ran in JQL.